So tonight is night on in Panama, and I've done this video probably like 4 times so far, but we're doing one for TikTok, and I wanted to show you my outfit. We are in Panama. We're going to a Panamanian restaurant for the first night. It's called Sabroso, I believe. And I want to show my outfit, what I'm wearing. So my earrings are from Case Spade, necklace, Coach, blouse. Let me bend you guys forward. So the blouse is from Target, skirt is from Japan, shoes are Coach. I got these for my birthday like a couple years ago. Let me bring you guys over some more so you guys can see the full fit. And the bag is also Coach. I'm wearing new tonight. Let's go. Twirl. Okay, so first night we're having, thank you. First night we're having Sabroso Panama for dinner. Alright. My review, the entertainment here was really good, 10 out of 10, and it was interactive, so if you wanted to get up there and dance you could do so. The food, it was okay. It was our first night. We're trying to go local. It was okay. We had we had some wings, french fries, pork belly. I didn't have any of the pork belly, chicken and so on, and plantains of course, but it was okay. Definitely not my #1 restaurant in Panama, but it's a good starter for your first night, and you get to go into the city and into the town. Very cute spot. They were playing reggae music as well. What? So this is how the traditional room looks, with sandals, like traditional sandals, a hat, sombrero. It's pretty cute. Ensure you come back for day 2 because day 2 gets pretty interesting. Yeah. Catch the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye. So hard to pedal.
You're not pedaling.
I am.